How to group Windows apps in PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can group Windows apps in PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store and you gotta search for PowerToys. And if this application has not been installed yet, you'll be able to see an install option. So you gotta click on install, and once you have installed it successfully, you'll be able to see open. So click on the open button and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. Next, you gotta go to the top bar where it says search for settings, and you gotta search for FancyZones. Click on it, and then you gotta enable FancyZones. Make sure that it is toggled on and written on. Then just beneath it, it is written Open Layout Editor. Click on it and you should see a layout editor open in front of you. So you can select various templates, such as if you want no layout, if you want focus, columns, rows, grid, priority grid, or you can simply create a custom one. So let's go with grid. You gotta click on it and click on create new layout, and then you gotta select whether you want grid or you want canvas. So let's go with grid, click on create, and you should see 3 grid columns in front of you. Next, you gotta drag the windows right here. So let's drag and drop the Microsoft Store. First, let's resize the window over here, and then you gotta click shift, and then you can simply drag it wherever you want. Let's say we want it over here, and now you can see it has been positioned. And this is the minimum size for the Microsoft Store. You cannot minimize it further. The next thing that we got to do is drag and drop another window. Let's say we want to drag and drop Notepad. So let's just click on shift and then just drag it wherever you want, like this. And then for the third one, let's drag and drop the folder. So simply click on shift and drag and drop it. Since we only have the third one available right now, so we're going to drag and drop it to the third column. And well, that is how you can group Windows and Windows PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.